Hello everyone, my name is Attila and I'm very excited to be a grammar school admission test and 11 plus maths tutor. I'm really looking forward to help you build your confidence in maths, explore new concepts, and discover how useful maths can be in everyday life. To prepare you for 11 plus maths, any grammar school test, Sutton Grammar School Set Test or SATs, will cover a wide range of topics, from fractions and decimals to algebra and geometry, and work together to solve problems, think critically, and prepare for the exciting transition to secondary school. Our goal is to create an environment where everyone feels supported, encouraged, and confident to challenge themselves. Let's get started and see all the amazing things we can accomplish together. Let's make it a great one. Our program. Every week, we will upload 3 specific videos to boost your 11 plus math skills. This will be a great help for the grammar school admission test. Weekly video 1. Every week, we will do one lecture on the topics we are learning. Weekly video 2. We have 52 mock tests designed for 52 weeks of practice. We will explain and solve some questions from one mock test every week. In 1 week, we will practice the Stage 1 mock test, and the following week, we will practice the Stage 2 mock test. We have designed 52 mock exams to enable you to practice at least one mock exam every week. All mock tests are unique, and every week, you will learn something new. Weekly video 3. At the end of the week, we will upload a fun video, a magic trick, a quiz, or exam tips to refresh your mind. I am confident that if you follow us every week, you will be amazed at the boost in your own confidence on the day of your exam. We have designed lectures in accordance with the guidelines of mathematics programs of study. Key Stages 1 and 2 National Curriculum in England, September 2013. Published by the Department for Education. This will eliminate any unnecessary or irrelevant learning and boost exam preparation well ahead. Let's see briefly the topics and our lecture content. We will focus on 7 major learning topics. Number 1. Number and place value. It contains 8 subsections. Number 2. Number, addition and subtraction, multiplication and division. It contains 10 subsections. Number 3. Number, fractions including decimals and percentages. It contains 8 subsections. Number 4. Ratio and proportion and algebra. It also contains 8 subsections. Number 5. Units of measurement. It also contains 8 subsections. Number 6. Geometry. Properties of shapes. Position and direction. It contains 7 subsections. Number 7. Statistics. It contains 6 subsections. Please subscribe and join us for our weekly lectures, mock tests, and refreshing videos. We will use this book, 11 Plus Maths Genius, for 52 lectures. It provides a summarized description of all the learning topics, along with plenty of examples and practice questions. It also includes 2 full mock exams for Stage 1 and 1 mock exams for Stage 2, along with answer sheets and answers. It will give you a flavor of real exam situations. These 3 mock exams are worth more than £50. We recommend purchasing this book as soon as possible, as it is well worth buying. Links to buy these books are given in the description box. Please click on the link and collect your one. You might escape a serial killer, even a zombie apocalypse or a nuke, but the one thing you cannot escape is time.
So, get accepted in grammar school on your first attempt before time runs out. Because there is no second attempt. Subscribe and join our free lectures and mock tests today.